How to write your first Hello World program in VSCode. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to write your first Hello World program on VSCode. So if you haven't downloaded it already, you can just download from any of your browser and just make sure you have downloaded and installed the VSCode application over here. So once you successfully download the VSCode application, I want you to just right click and just create any new folder. So let's say I will give it a name just like this, like a same over here. So what I'll be doing is I'll simply open that particular file folder which I just created. So for that I'll simply open my VSCode application and click on this file button over here at the top of the navigation section and just tap on this open folder and just choose the folder which we just created, which is the same over here, and simply select the folder. And now I'll simply show you by creating a Hello World program in Python. So you can use any of the programming language. So let me just create a new file. To create a new file, just tap on this button over here. So I'll just give any name such as index.py, as Python stands extension stands with .py. So you can also type in any other language that you like, such as JavaScript or PHP, etc. So for now, I'll simply type in the Hello World program over here. So you can basically click on write in as if you were writing an English language. So just type in print and give a separate parenthesis, and under the apostrophe section, just type in the hello world just like this. So let me just quickly type in hello world, and you can just click on this run at the top right section to run your code and see the results for yourself under the terminal at the bottom of your. As you can see, my result has been shown over here. So that's exactly how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.